There are moments when people experience that their goals are still rather elusive, even if they make an effort. Have you ever felt as though no matter how you try, attaining your goal is something that could never happen? But what if I told you there's an incredible technique that could change everything? A very simple method that could change your life and make your dream come true with a 100% success rate. But stick around, because in this video, I will share with you a real-life story of a man named David who applied Neville Goddard's acting as if technique to the fullest extent and became a winner in every sense of the word, including winning the lottery. This is a technique that I will fully describe and explain how to employ, and also what words David used to trigger his success. Before we start, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with everyone you care about. Comment below to affirm and show the universe your commitment to your dreams by saying, "I am ready for success." Let your words set the stage for a transformative journey. The principle of acting as if is based on the works of Neville Goddard, who is often credited as the father of manifestation. This is not at all like positive thinking or daydreaming, but rather means taking on the idea that you are already a success at whatever you are trying to do. This way, one's thoughts, feelings, and behavior become congruent with the actualization of the desired reality or state of affairs, thus closing the gap between the as-is and the to-be states. Think about it like this. When you start acting like you've already got what you want, something amazing happens. You stop feeling like you're missing out and start feeling like you've got it all. It's like flipping a switch in your brain. This change is huge because it affects the vibe you're giving off. Suddenly, you're attracting all these opportunities that match up with the future you've been dreaming about. It's not about pretending. It's about living like your dreams are happening right now. Imagine walking around with the confidence of someone who's already made it. Your whole attitude changes. You stand taller, you're more positive with people, and you make decisions like someone who knows they're on the right track. You start noticing chances you might have missed before, and you draw in people and experiences that can help you get where you want to go. This mindset doesn't just make you feel good, though it definitely does that too. It's like you're sending out a signal that pulls your goals closer to you. The more you act like this, the more you believe in yourself, and the easier it becomes for your dreams to actually happen. To get started, take a moment to really think about what you want. It's all about being specific. If your goal is to be financially independent, don't just picture a vague idea of wealth. Instead, imagine the exact amount of money you want in your bank account. Visualize the lifestyle you dream of, down to the little details. What kind of home do you see yourself in? What car are you driving? How do you spend your days? The more detailed your vision, the more impactful it will be. Now, set aside some time each day to really immerse yourself in these visualizations. Find a quiet place where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and use all your senses to create a vivid picture in your mind. Feel the excitement and happiness of having already achieved your goals. Listen for the sounds that would fill your new life. Maybe it's your coworkers congratulating you, or the soothing hum of your dream car. Imagine the fresh scent of your new home, or the rich aroma of coffee brewing in your gorgeous kitchen. The goal is to make this experience feel as real as possible, so you can truly connect with your vision. Let's delve into a story that illustrates these principles in action. Meet David, an ordinary man who used Neville Goddard's acting as if method to transform his life. David was stuck in a dead-end job, feeling unfulfilled and hopeless. Every day felt like a grind, and he couldn't see a way out of his situation. Then, he came across Neville Goddard's teachings and decided to give them a try. David knew he needed to get crystal clear on what he really wanted. So, he sat down and poured his heart out on paper. He dreamed big. We're talking a job that lit him up inside, enough money to never worry about bills again, awesome relationships, and, why not, even winning the lottery. Every single day, David would carve out some quiet time in the morning and evening. He'd close his eyes and let his imagination run wild. He'd picture himself crushing it at his dream job, feeling that rush of financial freedom, surrounded by people who truly got him, and, just for fun, holding that life-changing lottery ticket. David also embraced the power of affirmations to strengthen his beliefs. Each day, he would repeat uplifting phrases, and I will reveal the exact words he used later in the video. These affirmations weren't just words, they helped align his subconscious mind with his goals, making them feel more attainable and real. By consistently repeating these powerful statements, he kept his aspirations front and center, guiding his daily choices and actions. To make it even more impactful, David took the time to write down his affirmations and created a vision board. He placed this board in a spot where he would see it every day. It was filled with images and words that represented his dreams, serving as a constant reminder of the life he was working to create. By regularly seeing and saying these affirmations, David ingrained them into his subconscious, gradually shifting his mindset and energy toward achieving his desires. As time went on, David noticed changes in his life. He received a job offer that perfectly matched his vision of a fulfilling career. His financial situation improved as he made smarter choices and seized new opportunities. His relationships blossomed, becoming more supportive and enriching. And then, the unbelievable happened. David won a significant lottery prize just as he had visualized. This win wasn't just a lucky break, it was a direct result of his unwavering belief and the consistent practice of acting as if. By immersing himself in the feeling of already having achieved his goals, he aligned his energy with abundance and success. This alignment attracted the circumstances and opportunities he needed to turn his dreams into reality. David's journey is a powerful reminder of how effective the acting as if method can be. By aligning his thoughts, emotions, and actions with his desired reality, he transformed his life in ways he once only dreamed of. This wasn't just about luck, it was about a consistent, deliberate practice of embodying his goals. His story shows that anyone can achieve their dreams by harnessing the power of their thoughts and beliefs. It highlights how our internal state profoundly influences our external reality, and by mastering our inner world, we can shape the world around us. David's transformation serves as a compelling reminder that the ability to create the life you desire lies within you. Through the practice of acting as if, you can start bridging the gap between where you are now and where you want to be, turning your dreams into a tangible reality. Since I promised to reveal what words David used exactly to trigger his success, let's get to that now. As I mentioned, David embraced the power of affirmations to strengthen his beliefs. Each day, he would repeat uplifting, effective phrases like, "I am thriving in my career," "Wealth flows to me effortlessly," and "I attract positive and supportive relationships." These affirmations were carefully chosen to resonate with his goals and instill a deep sense of confidence. David didn't just recite these words, he infused them with genuine emotion, imagining the joy and fulfillment they would bring him. By consistently focusing on these affirmations, he reinforced his belief in his ability to turn his dreams into reality. Let's talk about the real magic of words. They're not just sounds we make. They've got this incredible power to shape how we think and what we believe. It's like they carry their own energy, you know? And that energy can totally change how we feel and think about things. When David kept saying those positive affirmations, he was basically giving his brain a makeover. It's like he was telling his subconscious, "Hey, this is who we are now." And bit by bit, those old limiting beliefs started to fade away, replaced by these new, empowering ones. It made it so much easier for him to act in ways that lined up with his goals. Think about it. The words we use can completely flip our perspective, change our whole mindset, and ultimately transform our reality. It's pretty wild when you think about it. You can see how David's affirmations tied into this bigger idea about the power of words. He picked phrases that really hit home for him, that spoke to what he wanted most. Every time he said them, it was like he was rewiring his brain, making his belief in himself stronger and stronger. He went from thinking, "I don't have enough," to "I've got this." And that shift? It didn't just make him feel more confident, it changed how he acted, leading him to make choices that lined up perfectly with his goals. It's super important to understand why acting fast matters so much. Life throws opportunities your way, but it's totally up to you to spot them and grab them quickly. If you keep putting things off, you might end up doubting yourself more and slowing down your success. But if you jump right in and start using these techniques, you'll boost your belief and make things happen way faster. Think about David's story. If he'd hesitated or second-guessed himself, he could have missed out on some big chances. Every moment is like a unique mix of factors lining up, and acting fast can make all the difference. This isn't about rushing for no reason. It's about realizing how powerful the present moment is. Your choices, actions, and beliefs are like the threads that weave the fabric of your life. Acting right away also stops fear and inertia from building up. The longer you wait to do something, the scarier your goals can seem. But when you take quick, decisive steps, you break that cycle of putting things off and start building momentum. This momentum doesn't just push you forward, it also boosts your confidence and makes you more committed to your goals. When you act fast, you're basically telling the universe, "Hey, I'm ready for this." This go-getter attitude can open doors and create opportunities you might not have even seen before. To give you a very quick recap on how to apply Neville Goddard's acting as if method, start by clearly defining your desires. Visualize your goals daily, immersing yourself in the feelings of achievement. Act as if you've already succeeded by adopting the habits and attitudes of someone who has reached their dreams. Dress the part, network confidently, and make aligned decisions. Use affirmations like, "I am successful," and "wealth flows to me effortlessly," repeating them with conviction. Keep visualization and affirmations as daily practices. Document your journey in a journal, noting your goals and progress. Create a vision board with images that represent your aspirations, placing it where you see it daily. Align your internal state with your actions to create powerful momentum toward your goals. Don't sit around waiting for the perfect moment. There's no time like right now to get started. Watch as your world transforms in amazing ways you never thought possible. You've got the power within you. It's time to grab it with both hands and run with it. Let your manifestation journey begin today. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.